Class 5 EVS. Okay, let's start. So today we'll start a new chapter. We finished the previous chapter. I've given you the question answers, everything done. This also I've given you, this also I've given you. So we'll start a new chapter today. Okay, chapter 2, that is migration and relation. Migration and relation. What is migration? Now we'll learn what is migration. Going from one place, moving from one place to another is migration. And relations, relation, father's relations, mother side relations, all relatives are on relations. Okay, now let's start. Father's father, name the following. Father's father will be grandfather, right? Grandfather. Father's mother, grandmother. Uncle's child, cousin. Okay, now let's start. Migration. Pinu. Pinu is the name of a boy. Okay, Pinu lived with his family, with his large family in a village. His great grandfather was the first to move to this village. His great grandfather. Okay, great grandfather was the grandfather's father was the great grandfather means grandfather's father was the first to move to this village. His family had 32 members, grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts and many cousins, comprised Pinu's large and joint family. When the aunt got married, they lived with their husband in different towns. They all lived happily. They celebrated festivals together with great fun and visited village fairs. Their main source of income was agriculture. So what? Pinu is the name of a boy. Now he used to live in a very big, large family. Okay, who used to live in this family? Grandfather, parents, uncle, aunt, cousin, everyone. Many people used to live. The total 32 members were there. So they lived in a big family. When his aunt got married, he went to another town and lived there happily. And the main source of income, they used to come together. All the members used to meet together to celebrate festivals, and the main source of income was agriculture. Now, this is Pinu's family tree. That means this is Pinu's whole great grandparents, means father's father. They are the father's father. Okay, parentals and maternal side. Now this is the C. So many members are there. C. Okay, so this is Pinu's family tree. Means big family. All the members are there. Now let's start. Pinu's grandfather used to tell them stories. Now Pinu's grandfather used to tell all the cousins, means the children, stories from epics. Epics means Mahabharata, Ramayana, all this. Pinu's mother and aunt cooked. Pinu's mother and aunt cooked food together in a big open kitchen. Their house was quite big and airy. Many members used to live, so house was quite big and airy, full of air. It was open from all the side. Okay, airy. It has 18 rooms and a veranda and a terrace. It had 18 rooms and a veranda, and a terrace means the chat. Okay, terrace means the top of the house where you don't have any shade on top. Okay, so 18 rooms, veranda and a terrace. He studied in a government school. Okay, Pinu studied in a government school. Now his uncle Sham, who was his uncle? His uncle Sham was a bank employee, used to work in a bank. 2 years ago, he was transferred to Delhi. Now his uncle was transferred to Delhi. Okay, and those who work in bank, they have some people are transferred. Okay, they have to move to some other places because of work. So he was transferred to Delhi. Going to some other places, he was transferred to Delhi for work. Thus his uncle and his family shifted to Delhi. So his uncle and his family shifted to Delhi. There was very little rainfall this year. The agricultural income was not sufficient for such a large family. Okay, very little rainfall. So if there is no rain, you cannot grow crops. So agriculture income was very less, and the large family, the income was not sufficient for the large family. Okay, it was not enough. Large family, great expenditure, more expenses are there. So small income is not sufficient. So Pinu's father Ramesh and his mother and grandparents migrated to Delhi. So what happened? Because income is coming less, so the Pinu's father Ramesh and his mother and grandparents, his father's father and mother, they all went, migrated means they went to Delhi in search of better source of income. Why? To go and do something better there so that they can earn or income some more money, okay, in Delhi. When people move from one place to another due to some reason is called migration. Now underline this. When people move from one place to another due to some reason, it is called migration. The people who move from one place to another is called the migrant. Now what is migration? When people move from one place to another due to some reason is called migration. And the people, okay, who move from one place to another are called migrant. Okay, now what? Understand the difference, migration and migrant. When people move from one place to another due to some reason is known as migration. That is, moving from one place to another is known as migration. And what is migrant? The people who move from one place to another are called migrant. The people who move from one place to another are called migrant. So, if I ask you what is the difference between migration and migrant? When people move from one place to another, okay, due to some reason is known as migration. The people who move from one place to another are known as migrant. Peoples are known as migrant, and due to some reason when people move from one place to another, that is called migration. So people moving from one place to another due to some reason is known as migration, and the people who move from one place to another are known as migrant. Clear? Okay, now some people leave their country, okay, to live in another country. Now some people, they leave their country, they leave India and they go to some outside country, okay, leave their country to live in another country, okay. So this is called as immigration, okay. When you are leaving your country and going to some other country, you are leaving your country and you are going to America, some other country, okay, and you are going and living there, that means that is called immigration. Leaving one country and going to another country known as immigration, and the people are called, and the people who move, they are called immigrant. Same. So when you are in your country, suppose in one place inside India, you are going from Delhi to Bombay, that is called moving from one place to another, that is called migration inside India. And if you are going from outside the country, you are leaving India and going to some other country, okay, that is called immigration. Okay, when people leave their country and they leave their country to live in another country, this is called immigration, and the people are called immigrant. Migration and migrant, so immigration and immigrant. Clear? This is a picture of a big family. See, picture of a very big family. This is clear. Now if I ask you what is migration, you will say people, when people move from one place to another due to some reason is known as migration, and the people who move from one place to another is known as migrant. And what is immigrant? When people leave their country and go to another country. When some people leave their country to live in another country, this is known as immigration, and the people are called immigrant. Clear? Now turn the page. Why do people move? Difficulties faced from migration or change family structure. Okay. So we'll do next this one. Okay. Today this much. Today we'll do this much. Now, so what have you learned? We have learned 4 things today. So let us revise once. If I ask you what is migration, what will you say? Migration. When people move from one place to another due to some reason is called migration, and the people who move from one place to another is known as migrant. And what is immigration? Some people leave their country, okay. Some people leave their country to live in another country. They are leaving their country and going and living in another country. This is called immigration, and the people are called immigrant. Okay, clear this much? Okay, for today this much. Thank you.